This Shark Steam Mop provides immaculate cleaning results on any hard floor surface, such as wood, tile or marble. The useful click and flip technology allows you to easily change over the double-sided dirt grip cleaning pads without touching them, giving you twice the cleaning area just by flipping the mop head. Plus, the dirt grip pads can be washed after use, meaning you won't have to purchase replacements. Steam Blast utilises searing concentrated steam that is emitted directly from the nozzle, which is effective at removing stuck-on mess. After blasting the dirt, the head can be flipped back so you can effortlessly wipe away tough stains and stubborn residue. The lightweight design makes it easy to clean your home, and with swivel steering you can easily manoeuvre around furniture and other obstacles, allowing you to wipe your floors comfortably and without hassle. Lifting difficult stains and eradicating bacteria is a simple task for this steam mop from Shark.